Hi guys, I'm Arcadops here and I'm going to show you the HP's new all-in-one PC.
So this is the HP AIO 200 G4 desktop. This is an AIO which stands for all-in-one, which means the monitor and the internal components are stacked into a single piece. This is a very convenient desktop to use at home or at work. This desktop is not too heavy and has a sleek design. This desktop was launched this year with two different models, an Intel version and an AMD version. This particular model features a 23.8-inch Full HD touch display with an AMD Ryzen 5 processor at 2.1 GHz speed. It also features a 8 GB RAM and a storage of 1 TB. The graphics card used in this is the AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics, and all these come with the latest version of Windows 10. And this desktop comes in two different colors, a white and a jet black model. This is a budget friendly model and also the prices vary on which model you purchase. Looking at this, it kind of feels more like a monitor than a desktop. Talking about the touch display, it is pretty much convenient to use. You can use the touch display to draw, use gestures and much more. And also the touch response is good and doesn't cause lags. The desktop also comes with a wireless keyboard and mouse, which simplifies the setup and also pretty much helpful because you don't need to buy this separately. In this way, HP provides you a proper desktop setup all in a box. The stand is made of aluminum, which is strong and durable. It is also fully adjustable, which allows you to tilt the monitor up and down to your liking. HP also included a pop-up privacy camera that is behind the display. So when you need to make a video call or use the camera, simply pop it up and use. As far as the ports go, these are all placed behind the monitor, and we have 4 USB-A ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 Ethernet port, 1 headphone jack and a power adapter port. And on the right side of the desktop we have the CD drive and the power button. And that's the HP's new all-in-one PC. If you want a desktop which is budget friendly and can use it at work or at home, then this is the desktop for you.
So that was the review on the HP's new all-in-one PC, and if you haven't seen my iPhone 12 Pro unboxing video, the link is in the description. So please go watch it, and until next time, bye and stay safe.